Excuse me, miss. Is this you by any chance?
Oh no. What are you? Delete that now.
Someone was in the woman's clothing area and then they got the pink underwear and they're sniffing it. Dude, that's you, right?
I swear to God, that's not me, dude.
Hang on.
Is that you?
Yeah, but I wasn't climbing or anything.
Like, they sent the video.
Interesting. No. I did not do that.
Are you sure?
Yes, my belly's not that big. Not that, you can honestly tell I'm not that big. I'm not that big. I'm not even an agile. I can't do that. I can't jump up and do that. There's no way I did that.
And your belly's not that big.